in Mobile, we tend to get a little stuck to our traditional ways as far as style and design. And I wanted to show you guys this really modern fireplace that we just installed at a client's house. And what makes it modern, right? What makes an element be more modern versus traditional? You can see the really straight lines, clean cut. There's not a lot of decorative, there's no mantle, there's nothing hanging above or below. The other thing we did too was to elevate up what they call the box, or where the fire actually goes. I actually call it a firebox. We elevated it up so it wasn't sitting on the ground. So you don't have the push or the need to have a hearth around it. We took off the hearth, raised up that firebox so that the actual fire would be a little more at eye level, and then we kept it just a nice rectangle. The stucco here goes right to the top of the extents of the firebox, so all you have is this really sleek stack with the opening where the fireplace goes in, and that's it. It creates a beautiful focal point for this space and just creates that perfect modern look that we were going for. So if you guys are going for this, just remember to keep your clean lines simple, and you'll know what to do.